Montez sur Discord, attendez. Alright.
I mean, là, but...
Vous t'as supposé, ouais, qu'on va... Ah, t'as l'air. Ou même, oui, ça... T'as l'air... Alright, vous t'as supposé, ouais, Discord, là, comment?
Ok, so qui compte envoyer Nia?
Qui lien ça? Non, bah, c'est pas un lien, non. Just monter sur Discord.
Ah ben, sur Discord, là.
Mais just retire, au bon, on va l'accrocher. Ouais.
Ok.
'Cause I been on fire, now she want me back, 'cause I been counting fast. Remember times you ain't visit, no you ain't. Remember times you ain't listen, no you ain't. Now I'm running them digits all the way. I been stuck by my business for the cash. Remember times I was stuck in my old way. I was smoking on gas, propane. I don't feel so lost, no way. I was fun with a gun or whole fast. Now I ain't stuck in my feelings no more. Yeah, I been eating my soul. Man, back then I was fun with a bitch. I told that bitch we left. Man, back then we was talking about kids. I would get our kids in racks. Man, back then I was selling myself for a bitch I knew I couldn't control. Man, back then I had no hope. Man, back then I felt so low. Man, back then I told my niggas we gon' blow. But they left me on my own, so I had to play my role. Had to get up on that road. Them niggas died on the low. Hold up, 2020 I was fucking a friend. She had my line, said she want me again. Now that I'm up, finna buy me a Benz. 2020 ain't nobody was there. You can see it, fuck you can even feel it. On my back, dealing with these demons. 2 blunts and I'm leaning. I was fucking a friend. She had my line, said she want me again. Now that I'm up, finna buy me a Benz. 2020 ain't nobody was there. You can see it, fuck you can even feel it. On my back, dealing with the demons. 2 blunts and I'm leaning. I call out myself, cause she ain't want no feelings. Going through these cycles, no one got my back. Yeah, husband on the tightrope, link up to attach. Let shit in the past, I'm not going back. Bitch, I been on fire, now she want me back, 'cause I been counting fast. times you ain't visit, no you ain't. Remember times you ain't listen, no you ain't. Now I'm running them digits all the way. I been stuck by my business for the cash. Remember times I'm stuck in my old ass. I was smoking on gas, propane. I don't feel so lost, I know it. I was fun with a gun, no fast. Now I ain't stuck in my feelings no more. Yeah, I been eating my soul. Man, back then I was fun with a bitch. I told that bitch we left. Man, back then we was talking about kids. I'll get our kids in racks. Man, back then I'm selling myself for a bitch I knew I couldn't control. Man, back then I had no hope. Man, back then I felt so low. Man, back then I told my niggas we gon' blow. But they left me on my own, so I had to play my role. Had to get up on that road. Them niggas died on the low. Hold up, 2020 I was fucking a fan.
Let me see if y'all can hear me. Throw me a thumbs up in the chat if y'all can hear me. Yeah. Our first ever live stream. Let me know if y'all can hear me. Can y'all hear me? It should be solid. It should be solid. I'm gonna get going. Currently in UC longs. USD CAD. Check it out. Let's take a look. You should also send your chat, your chart in the chat on Discord. I'll take a look at it. But you said you're in CAD. Let's take a look. Doesn't hurt. Oh, yeah, I can see it. I'm buying off this demand right here. My only thing with this setup is the 200 EMA, just kind of like crossing through price. So with that 200 EMA crossing right through, just be careful, obviously. But yeah, pretty good setup. I don't see why not. The breaker structure is not really there. It's kind of like a minor breaker structure, I really would want to say. But yeah, definitely a risky trade though. Wouldn't be my type of setup to take, like not A+, but yeah. Oh, you guys can hear me with this music. Hold on, let me kind of pause this music real quick. See, y'all can hear me better. I hope y'all can hear me better. I hope y'all can hear me. Yeah. All right. So, excuse me if y'all hear me a little bit under the weather. I'm kind of coming back from this cold. Just came back from New York. It's terrible, but yeah, man, that's what the cold weather does to you. So let's take a look at news, man. Let's get going. All right. So right now, this morning, we don't have really anything to worry about as far as our session right now. So yeah, we're chilling in terms of news. So let's go ahead and kind of run down through all of our pairs, see what we're gonna be working with today, and then yeah, kind of go from there. So first and foremost, I like to start on the 4-hour time frame. So we're gonna start on gold. Taking a look at gold. We're not tapping into anything on the 4 hour, so we're good there on that part. 1 hour time frame, kind of more like forming like a double bottom here. But really we aren't hitting into any demands or anything, so that's proper. All right, 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look. All right, 15-minute time frame. We're kind of hitting this 15-minute supply right now. Respecting it. But let's see. On the 5-minute, yeah, we kind of hit this zone over here. We broke out of the zone. So right now it's just a matter of really kind of waiting for gold. I'm more bearish than anything on gold, so I'll be more than happy to take some sells if the sells do open up. But yeah, we just kind of gotta wait and see. Yeah, that's that for now. Let's go to NAS100. Let's take a look. Let me also check in the chat, see what you guys are saying. All right. What broker are you using since Hank was down on MT5? Well, honestly, this is a very political topic to talk about right now. I would say just do kind of like your own research. I don't want to talk about any brokers and kind of give them any clout right now, and tell you to go with this broker, and things end up happening where you don't get your withdrawal or whatnot. So I would say kind of do your own research on that. I would just prefer not to name any brokers, but yeah, there are many out there right now. Just do your research on see what's good and see what's good for you. Yeah. But overall, I'm not gonna lie to you. A lot of the brokers with like new platforms, the new platforms are actually pretty cool. Like, they're actually way better than MT5, honestly. So you should probably just check it out. I would say just check it out, see what works for you. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But you know what I mean, like just kind of do your research. Yeah. So let's take a look here. So NAS100 4-hour time frame. We're not really hitting into anything on the 4-hour time frame, so we're chilling on that part. 1-hour time frame. We are sort of hitting this 1-hour supply here, but it's very old, so I'm really not too concerned about it. It's pretty old, 'cause from like days ago. Let's look at the 15. 15's looking okay. Nothing too exciting kind of happening in the market right now. It's pretty chill. Now taking a look at everything, I would want to see some sort of breakage structure above here, like entirely. We really don't have a full breakage structure, and let me kind of like put my mic down and show you guys what I'm talking about here. So I am definitely very bullish on NAS100 for sure. But I would want to see some type of breakage structure above here for then price to come back and tap into this demand. But it seems like that obviously we're going to clearly tap into this demand, potentially before even breaking out of here. So yeah, I'm going to be staying out of this. I'm not going to be taking this setup, but yeah, that's all I would have wanted to see, to take these buys going up for sure. But other than that, yeah, I'm really not too concerned about NAS100 if we can get some sort of clean breakage structure. Because the main reason why you want to break a structure, guys, is just it makes the setup more high probability. You take these, low probability setups, it's just gonna cause you to, obviously potentially lose. So you might as well just stick to your A plus setups, carry on with that, and you'll be straight. You'll be straight, man. So let's go down to GU. So we only trade for those of you guys that are new, that are watching, that are new watchers, new subscribers. So I trade 4 pairs. I trade gold, NAS, GU, and GJ. So that's the main pairs that I focus on, and just really mainly focus on trading the 5-minute time frame, trading supply and demand, and just catching either supply or demand setups. So yeah. Now if you guys do actually want to get tapped in with me as well, there is a link in the description to get tapped into my Discord, to my private Discord. So you guys can hop onto that. I'm also actually live on there. If you guys want to talk to me directly, ask me questions, things like that, that's the way to do it. Other than that, you guys can watch on YouTube. I know there's a bit of a delay on YouTube, so I know that's going to cause some people to not be able to obviously take trades as they're happening. So that's what the Discord is here for. It's here to help you obviously get better with, months of consistent results. We did it for free for the last 3 months. And we, obviously are just now making Discord paid and live streaming on YouTube, a couple of days a week. So yeah, I hope you guys do take, some good knowledge out of this and definitely, use it to your advantage. And as well, you guys know that I'm also trading on the Forex Funder. I am doing a 100K series on the Journey episodes that I drop every Monday. So I actually have one coming out tomorrow, 12 p.m. EST. But if you guys do want to get funded, of course, you guys can use my code Trade with Antonio, or use the code TFF50 that'll give you 50% off your next challenge. Just go in the description or go on my Instagram bio, click on there. You'll be able to actually access all of my links, and you'll be able to access the Forex Funder link there as well to get yourself that 50% discount with the trade with Antonio code. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump back on the charts here. Just wanted to kind of put you guys on some game, let you guys know what's good. But yeah, man, if you guys want to get funded, get tapped in. The Forex Funder is pretty solid. Very, very good, you know, risk management plan in terms of their, you know, platform. You get to lose 12%, you know, which gives you a nice buffer, and you only need to make 8%, so which is very, very clean. So yeah, definitely check them out. Link is in the description below. But let me check out the chat. Let me see what you guys are up to. What trades are you guys in right now? I know we had Alicia said she was in USD CAD. Let's take a look. How's that trade going? That's going pretty well. It's solid. Yeah, so me, just not my thing. Whenever the 200 EMA is obviously crossing through price, it just makes it a riskier trade. Obviously, that doesn't mean you can't take the setup. It just makes it riskier. So I'm just not willing to take it. But yeah, I don't even trade that pair anyways. But yeah, that's a good setup though. Yeah, good demand. Nice go. So yeah, pretty clean. But lastly here, let's take a look at GJ. GJ on the 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look. All right. Just kind of cross-checking the 4-hour time frame just to see, are we hitting any supplies or demands that would make us, you know, obviously not take a trade in a specific direction, basically. Let's take a look. 1-hour time frame. We're good. Just kind of just float in. Okay. 15-minute time frame. All right, no zones either on the 15. Let's break it down to the 5. All right, yeah, no zones either on the 5. So kind of just waiting for you know, something to appear here on GJ, but nothing as of yet. Just kind of just chilling, and yeah, letting the markets kind of form this morning, and waiting for a move. Yeah. So I'd love to see if I were to, you know, obviously take any moves on GU. Most specifically, would be clean if we could get some sort of a breakage structure below these lows over here for price to then come back and then tap into this supply up here, which left this gap behind. That would be a clean trade if we can get that pullback and then, you know, obviously sell from this supply up there. But yeah, that's looking like it may happen. So very early on in the session, it's something that could happen around, like, you know, 2:30, maybe 3 o'clock. We never know. But yeah, definitely a potential trade coming up for sure. I'm waiting for a setup on AUD USD. Let's take a look at AU. Let's take a look. What setup are you waiting on AUD USD? Exactly. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't see a setup yet. But yeah, for the most part, y'all, that's pretty much what we're waiting on right now. Market's pretty quiet, but you know, we could obviously end up getting a nice little move here pretty soon. If we can get a nice, you know, pull back to this supply level, chilling right up top here. That'll be clean. But we obviously need to break a structure first, y'all. We need to break a structure first for us to then come back into this zone. That'll be clean. That'll be very clean. And as you guys can see, look at that. So with that NAS100 trade, if you were looking to get an aggressive, you would have, you know, obviously lost that trade because of course there was no breaker structure. So that made the trade less, you know, high probability. Like it's not as good to take this setup because of course it loses most of the time. So yeah, that was that. So yeah, just kind of gotta wait on NAS. Maybe potentially will come down further and get a break below. But yeah, just got sent a chart. Somebody sent. Maybe I was actually looking at AUD. Wasn't it 15 AUD? I just got sent a chart. Was I looking at it on the right time frame? Yeah, I was. All right. Okay. No. Yeah. So I see. So this setup here on AUD USD, I mean, it is definitely counter trend. Now we are at a very low point in price. With this being my first setup of the week, I just don't like it being counter trend, so not something I would personally take right now. But yeah, definitely a setup that I would probably take, more during the New York session when there's more volume with the like AUD USD pairs. But yeah, a lot can happen with that. I do see potential upside movement with AUD USD for sure though. But one main thing that I've been practicing, guys, is really mainly like following all of my rules to the T. Like, and when I mean following all of my rules to the T, like I mean it. Like, I will literally not, break any of my rules at all. And I actually just unmuted myself. I realized I was just muted for the Discord, so I hope you guys can hear me now. Hold on, let me make sure that you guys can hear me properly on the Discord. Yeah, you guys should be good. Yeah, so like as I was saying, I just follow my rules to the T, guys. It just, obviously puts me in a better position knowing that, all right, like I have less of a chance of losing by doing things that, technically might work. I like trading is not based on like this technically works. Like you have to be sure of what you're doing. If you're not sure of it, my motto is just like, all right, if I'm not sure, I'm just not gonna take it. Simple as that. Like if it makes sense in my eyes, but I don't do it on a normal basis, I'm just not gonna take it. I'm gonna wait for a setup that's gonna look good. That's gonna obviously set me up for success and get me to where I want to be. But yeah, like I said, definitely this does have upside potential. I mean, but just not a setup I would take for sure. But yeah, if you're in this trade right now, good stuff. You probably technically you should have already hit like almost 1-to-1. But of course you're trading AUD USD, so 1-to-1 on this is like 1 pip. So it's really not worth it. That's why I don't trade AUD USD anymore as well. Like it's one of those pairs that it's just like it's not worth it like trading it. Really, it's really not. Let's take a look at the chat. So just waiting for London Open to see what price does. I'm waiting for it to take that low to see how it reacts after. Solid, yeah, solid. I think your move was right here, brother. Queen. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that's Queen Rudy. My fault. Thought it was Kyle. Queen Rudy. Yeah. So this was basically your entry point right there for price to spike up. Yeah, definitely had upward potential. Yeah, but just like I said, I just simply hate AUD for that simple reason. Like, look at this. Like, what kind of trade is this with a 1 pip stop loss? Like, bro, you're not like any slippage, and you're entered like way above here. Doesn't make any sense. Let's look. Yeah, pretty much just gotta wait. Man, that's the one thing about trading supply and demand. It's actually like you honestly kind of gotta wait. Like, you gotta be patient, super patient. Like, or else you're gonna fuck up and lose by trying to rush trades. We got 3 hours on here. We gotta take our time, find something that's proper, of course. Do it the right way. Let me see if I can play some lo-fi music on here. Let me know if the sound is too loud, but yeah, I'll try to adjust it. Not sure. Oh, now my Spotify not working. That's funny. Alright, we're just gonna have to let it be then. What's up with Spotify? We'll try to. Some good lo-fi. Where's everybody from though, man? Like, where are you guys from? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Let me know where you guys are from. I'm out here in Florida. For those of you guys that are Florida people. I cannot with the cold. Anybody in any cold states, like, y'all got it, man. Like, this shit is not for me. Like, I went to New York for a week, got a terrible cold. Like, bro. It seems like we're gonna be doing a lot of waiting this morning, man. A lot of waiting. Let's check it out. So yeah, from Haiti. You're the best, Antonio. This guy. Oh man. That's what happens. That's what happens during these sessions. A lot of waiting, man. So, like, LA cat. Oh, you in LA? So, like, I mean, it's pretty. So it's pretty early for you, basically. So London session is pretty chill to trade, probably in LA. That's dope. Cause you still get the whole night to basically sleep. That's lit. But one thing about LA, like, I don't know, like, LA is cool and shit. Like, no disrespect, but like, I used to love LA, like, but it has been my thing ever since I visited. It wasn't what I was expecting. Let's say that, basically. Definitely was not what I was expecting. I would have loved to see that GU would have given us, obviously, that break, well, like a major break of structure. This is a nice rejection coming off of here to, of course, continue down to take out liquidity over here. But yeah, just sticking to my rules, not taking it. But this would have been a really, really nice setup to take, though. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. We do have liquidity sitting down here, so
we have to be careful.
But of course, like I said, I'm just following my rules, man. Just following the course of action. So we wait. Yeah, see, it's 11 p.m. That's crazy. So like you get. Yeah, nah, like, if I was living in Cali, that'd probably be a solid time. Like, I get it out the way before bed type shit. That's solid. You're in Oregon. That's crazy. Oregon, wow, that's wild. You guys are from all over. That's crazy. Oh, Oregon sucks. I'm dead. I don't like it there. I mean, what is in Oregon? Like, I've never been, but like, what's out there? Like, what's something fun that attracts people to go to Oregon? G's following the plan exactly as we thought. TP would have been somewhere down here, but yeah, not the trade just yet for me. You get all the seasons. Homeless people now. It's a lot. Okay. I mean, fair enough. A lot of beautiful nature spots. No sales tax. Nah, you get tax. See, like, that's, like, I'd rather get tax. I'd rather get sales tax. Because that's kind of like how it is in Florida. Like, you don't get like your it's like state income tax, but then like everywhere you drive, like on the highway, is like a toll. You know what I mean? So I guess like it's like pros and cons. Oh, look at that. Look at that GU coming off and kind of rejecting off of this zone a little bit. Yeah. Reason why you follow your rules, guys. Reason why you follow your rules. Like I said, just be patient. Be patient. I snowboard, so it's cool for that. All right. I mean, I guess that's dope. You know, snowboarding. I'll be honest. I suck at snowboarding. I'm too tall. I'm like 6'5", like 6'5". Like I could not. I just can't. I can't keep my balance. It's something about that. It just doesn't. It doesn't work well. Yeah. Yeah. I guess I probably don't seem that tall on video, but yeah, I'm 6'5". 6'5".
I didn't see anything.
My girl, Kim is like 5'5", like 5'4", very short. Kim is super short compared to me. So my daughter, she's either gonna be either tall like me or short like him. It's one or the other. Congratulations on the baby. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It means a lot. Definitely excited. Yeah, you guys should thank my baby girl because she's the reason you guys are getting live streams from me. Like, never thought I'd be live streaming, but here I am. Taking over the London session live streams because honestly, there is nobody else doing these. And you guys are gonna see obviously the trades, the same trades I sent in the Discord, man. Like, it was funny that people think that like I'm not the one sending these out. Like, you guys are gonna see. I have a 60-month-old and he's the best gift in the world. Yeah, no, for sure. Like, I can't even imagine. Like, yeah, like it just, even myself, like just knowing the fact that I'm about to have my daughter just motivates me more. Like, it got me, I feel like that really made me like become just a different type of discipline just as a whole, which translated into my trading. You'll know the feeling very soon, yeah. For sure, I don't doubt. Yeah, y'all ever be doing that? Like, I'm scrolling through the different pairs, like, as if scrolling is gonna make something appear on the charts. It's funny. Like, I'm just scrolling through all the different pairs, as if something's just gonna randomly pop up. I do the same thing. Yeah, like, let me actually show you guys. So look at that, guys. Look what we just avoided. We just avoided a loss on GU. So if you went on to go try to take that GU setup without a breakage structure, boom, there you go. Slap in your face, loss. That's why you follow your rules. It's so simple. Just listen to yourself. I think what a lot of traders struggle with is like that, like they have this euphoric like mentality, thinking that anytime they're gonna get into a setup, they only think about the take profit. They don't calculate how much they're gonna actually lose, and they just want to go for the win. They think that just because the candle is staying red and it's breaking the lows and it's coming down, it's gonna continue to push. Not the case. case. Man. Now, for those of you guys that are just joining on, we are waiting for obviously our pairs to give us something right now to, of course, get into. Nothing as of yet. Nothing that interesting right now happening in the market. So, yeah, just gonna kind of be chilling, waiting for something to occur. But yeah, that's what we're waiting on. And for those of you guys that are also new that don't know, so I also do have a private Discord group. So if you do want to get plugged in and you want to kind of hop on and talk to me directly right now, as we're live on there right now, you guys can hop on. Link is in the description below, so you can click on that and join up. And yeah, be more than happy to obviously take a look at the setups, talk in the chat, you know, everything. Alicia says she's in the trade. Oh, that was at 135. So let me see. How is that trade going for you? How is that trade going? Take a look. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Did you at least get a 1-to-1 though? Let's see. Yeah, you got a 1-to-1. So you should have closed out profit, if anything. So you got like 2 pips. That's what I hate, trading pairs that are not like GJGU, like they're so small. True, I used to be like that. Just got a lot better at sitting on my hands and being patient. Yeah, it'd be like that. You gotta out small loss spreads and get me a 1-to-1. Yeah, no, it happens. Like, I know that feeling, especially that it was only like 2.9 pips. Yeah. But yeah, the main thing that you want to know though, and the reason kind of why like it really rejected immediately, is really mainly the 200 EMA. When a 200 EMA is crossing right through price, and that's why like it's important to trade with it. You're like, basically it tells you, all right, like we're consolidating. Price is ranging, and supply and demand is a trend trading strategy. So right now we weren't really, trending, we were more like ranging. So that's really the main reason why, I'd say. But if anything, you guys have like, for the past hour, like we're at 45 minutes or so, you guys have basically been seeing me like avoiding different losses in the markets. Definitely a lot of different moves popping up and showing up here and there, but also us avoiding a lot of losses because of that. You know what I mean? Like, we know what setups to take, because that's what separates a profitable trader to a break even or negative trader. You know your setups, you know what to get in and what to not get into. So it's very easy to be able to, of course, just hop on, like see a setup. It's easy to see the setups, but to know which setups to take, that's a different level. So yeah, it's very, very important to know the difference between the two. We got 7 people watching right now. We've already had 40 people tune in. It's crazy. On our first live stream. If you guys are enjoying the live, man, like, please leave a like on this. Like, let me know you guys are enjoying it. Leave a like. It means a lot. Tells YouTube that, obviously you guys are fucking with it. It'll show other people. Obviously, get plugged in. It'll recommend it to other people to also get plugged in. you know, that need help with their trading journey, and they can of course get plugged in with Antonio. That's what we do, man. We help the community. Yep. Let me take a look at the week coming ahead. So pretty solid week. I mean, in terms of news, of course, we got our Thursday 8:30 news for New York session. But I most likely will not be trading the New York session at all anymore. So I'm fully transitioning now to London. So that's pretty dope. And honestly, like London, I've realized over time that London actually has like a lot of good moves compared to like New York, if I'm being honest. Like it just has a lot more volume. Especially we're about to have London open here at 3 o'clock, I believe, if I'm correct. I'm new to this. I'm new to the London sessions, so excuse me with the time. But mainly what people need to understand, because a lot of people like are scared to trade like, you know, one session. Like they're like, I don't want to trade. I don't want to switch up this session. And sometimes they can even end up trading in the morning, you know, because they have work or they have X, Y, and Z. It's really just about understanding your strategy, guys, and understanding what works and what doesn't. As long as there is volume in the market and you're trading during the right time, you'll be okay. Like, you'll be fine. Just follow the right rules, follow the right things to do with the strategy, and you'll be more than okay. Why no more New York session? Honestly, like, it's just because of my schedule. So, like, with me having my daughter coming soon, like next 3 months, and also because I wanted to be able to live stream for you guys and do it more consistently without any interruption, because I do have certain things I take care of in the morning sometimes while trading. So that's really mainly why. It was just allowing me to sit down through the whole entire session without any interruptions and being able to deliver for you guys on a consistent basis. Agreed. Not many go live during London. Yeah, Queen Rudy. Yeah, like not a lot of people, like barely anybody does go live during London, but everybody's trying to compete for a spot, you know, during New York. So it's good to, of course, fill that you know void that's there for the people that are trading in London that need the help. So I'm here to save y'all. I'm here to help y'all out. The Forex gurus sent me to help the community. Of course. I'm just talking shit. I'm talking shit. Y'all can clearly tell what time it is, man. It's 2:19 in the morning. We are talking hella shit. Congratulations on your decision. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Man, you guys are some solid people, man. Like, for the most part, like just being online, like having the online presence, you guys do send very like encouraging messages, and I appreciate the community a lot, man. Y'all are dope. Definitely some dope people. Leave a like on the video if you haven't already. course, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be dropping a vlog actually today at 12 p.m. EST. So make sure to tune in. The New York vlog, definitely dope for sure. It was a dope trip. I took the subway for the first time in New York. It's crazy. I never do that. Never do that. I want to take something A+ today, man. I want something clean. I need the markets to set up something clean for us. Or for the YouTube. We're live right now on YouTube. Tap in, tap in. Let me do that again. We're live right now on YouTube. Tap in, tap in.
I don't even remember what the man looks like.
So I'm still debating on like kind of when I want to do these streams, whether it's like 2 times a week or, you know, every single day. But it's probably just gonna be like 2 days a week, honestly. And then the other days will be more focused in the Discord, you know, giving the members what they want. 2 days for YouTube, 2 days for Discord. So you guys typically trade the New York session, or I'm sorry, the London session, or are you guys just up tonight because I'm streaming? I'm curious to know. Because how is the London session for you guys typically? Like, you guys, is it pretty good? I only trade London session. Okay. So how is it, Alicia? How is the London session typically for you? I like your way more. I respect Soaps more, and there's not as much news. That's true. That's one thing too. Like, yeah, the New York session does have a lot of news. Like, and it's actually pretty annoying, if I'm being honest. Like, it's just a tad bit annoying. Because there's always 8:30 news on Thursdays, and almost always news like on most other days too. So, yeah, I could understand that. I feel like the markets are waiting for the London Open to bring in some good volume. Right now, we're not seeing that much volume kind of, you know, really push through the markets. But let's see. Let me see what you guys have to say. Like, I'm very curious because, like, I typically just don't like really talk about, you know, Forex drama. Like, but it's funny enough that we even have that in this industry. But like, let me see what like the community's thoughts on it. Like, what are you guys' thought on like this, all this drama currently going on, like in the industry? Because it's just funny to me. I just sit back and watch it. It's just funny. He got a group of, makes you want to delete IG. No, like for real. Like, I feel bad for people that are like up and coming, like trading like that, don't know anything at all, and that are seeing this, because it makes them very confused. Honestly, like I'd be like, I don't know if I actually want to do this, because you got guys like, you know, because you got dudes that are just like, they seem like they're just like, they never lose, like, you know what I mean? They'll think it's for sure a scam. Yeah, like, for sure, like, you know what I mean? Anybody that's like on the edge even about like starting to trade and that sees that kind of stuff, they're gonna be on the edge. Like, they're gonna be thinking that it's actually a scam when it's not. It's sad. But of course people will be money hungry. Faking the trades and all that shit. But who am I to talk? Who am I to talk? These guys been doing it for the longest. Man, the markets are really like, the volume is really dead right now. But I mean, explain this. It's December. It's the end of the year. We got like couple more days to trade, and the cool thing for a lot of people, so because like a lot of people know that I do actually charge for one-on-ones, but the month of December is very special because we're gonna have obviously like a 2-week period or so, like I want to say not even 2 weeks, like a week and a half maybe, period where we're not gonna be trading towards the end of the month. So during that time, I'm gonna be doing basically like one-on-one consultations on the Discord, you know, upon availability, completely free for the people that are in the Discord. So typically I charge $400 for a one-on-one session. It's only $50 if you're in the Discord throughout the month. I will do one-on-one. I will do a one-on-one with you. I will send out like a link for you guys to be able to, obviously, of course, pick a time and date that's more suitable for you. And then from that point on, you know, we can go over different things and I will help you with your trading. But of course, it's only to the Discord members, people that are tapped into the VIP Discord. So make sure you click on that link in the description to get tapped in with that for sure. Oh damn, yeah, Alicia, I got you. So I'll be sending that link probably sometime today, and you can definitely set up schedules, and it'll be for the end of the month, and I'll have different times open. Do you know any big YouTubers that fake their trades? Honestly, like, not any big YouTubers. I do know traders though that are on Instagram, like, you know, that are like doing interviews, doing all these BS that can't even show you any like, you know, track record, that are claiming to, you know, be making X amount of money, but that really don't have a track record, that they couldn't go live and trade, basically. Let's put it that way. But yeah, a lot of people do fake it. You know what I mean? Like, like the thing you don't understand, it's very easy to fake it. It's very easy to fake like anything on social media. Like I could just take a screenshot of anything and claim to be profitable. Like, especially when you don't have a group, you don't have anything to back that. Like one thing about me, I'm gonna keep it real. Like, whether that person may be watching right now, I don't know, but I've seen people on social media posting their profits, rollies, profits, everything, and I'm texting with them and they're like, yeah, no, I couldn't even show you a track record of anything that I do. Da, 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 da. So like for me, that's fake. That's fugazi. If you can't show a track record, if you can't show trades that you've taken over time, if you can't like at least a journal, something, like, cause it's not really like what people don't understand. Like, it's not really about like the MT4 that I'm impressed. Like, MT4 profits don't impress me. MT5 profits don't impress. It's whether you can actually consistent. Like, do you have a journal of the trades that you call out before and after consistently? Like, I just did that for 3 months consistently on the Discord, and we probably only had like 2 weeks out of those 3 months, 2 maybe 3 weeks where we were like negative, I want to say. And if it was negative, it was probably not even by a bunch. It was very, very rare that we had a losing week throughout those whole entire 3 months. And I did that completely, entirely for free for the whole community. Over 300 people tuned in. So, you know, a lot of people can't do that. If they can't show you that, like if you can't call out trades before they happen, like, and I don't trust you. Especially the people that are on Instagram, like that mainly focus on, oh, like, let me pass your challenge, let me do this, all of that is just a money grab. Like, it's just a business. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, people are paying people to pass their challenges, and then they, like, you still don't know how to trade. Like, okay, they'll pass your challenge, and then you'll get on the live account and blow it. Doesn't make any sense. Like, actually learn how to trade. No, stop listening to these fools. Like, they're, yeah. Like, I could show you messages of Forex traders that I talk to. That I used to be impressed, and then I was like, that's what y'all are? Nah. Yeah, like, I'm good. That's why, like, I respect Doyle. Doyle just stays out the cut. Like, thank God I have somebody like him that I looked up to, like, you know, in my trading journey. Because if not, then, like, when I started meeting a lot of people, I would have made some dumb decisions and probably, like, been around the wrong group. I've been offered all types of crazy things, like, for, you know, to make crazy amounts of money already, like, but of course that involves doing, like, you know, things that are, like, not gonna benefit the community. It's like just taking money from you guys' pockets. Doesn't make any sense. But yeah, just be aware of the fakes, man. Like, straight up. Not everybody will talk about it. I just don't give a fuck. Like, I don't have anything to lose on that. When you know how to trade, you don't got nothing to lose. Like, I know how to trade. I'll make the money from the charts. I don't need money from somebody's hand directly. What we gonna get today? What we gonna get? So yeah, for the people that are just joining on, as I see people are just hopping on, like I said, if you guys are looking to get like mentored one-on-one, my Discord, private Discord, because the last 2 weeks of December we're not gonna be trading, I'm gonna be doing one-on-one sessions. Obviously, it's you know, first come, first serve. And there'll be times available. Typically it's about $400. It's only $50 with the Discord. So get tapped in. Definitely be a benefit for you guys if you guys want to get plugged in with me. So I think volume's gonna pick up soon for sure. some of that London open volume. So just make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys are new, make sure to tap and hit that subscribe button. Shows me that you're supporting, you're tapping in. You guys are liking what I'm doing for you guys, for the community. It's 2:37 in the morning. What are some questions you guys have for me, man? What are some questions you guys have for me? Yo, we got Stretch in the building. Yo, my guy. What's good, bro? What's good? Got Stretch in the house. Hey, yo. That's my dog. If you guys don't know, man, Stretch and I are in Discord. Stretch actually calls out the intraday moves. So these are like more long-term positions. This guy been on fire, let me tell you guys. He been on fire. But yeah, we do. So whether you guys, if you guys are the type to just kind of want to sit back and you want to go to bed, you don't really want to stay up and extend a charts like I am. Stretch has moves that he calls out. You able to just take. Set your stop loss, set your take profit, rest assured, let your trade do its thing. Stop loss to take profit, and you don't have to be on the charts as much. So we do also have that in the Discord for you guys. So make sure to check it out because we're calling out bangers every single day for y'all, man. So it's if you guys wanna of course make some money and learn the right way to trade and not get scammed. Tap into our Discord. You'll definitely be able to benefit. Just waiting to catch this dub, yeah. Nah, for sure. Yo, Stretch. You up early, my guy. Or you either up early or you going to bed late. It's one or the other. But guys, definitely check out Stretch FX on YouTube. That's my dog. He be doing his thing. Man. He dope, yeah. No, Stretch is dope. Yeah, y'all show him love. That's my brother right there. Man, so far, over 54 people have tuned in to the live already. That's what's up, our first live stream. Yeah, man. Definitely a slow morning, but we're staying in there. We're keeping in there. You guys are keeping the energy alive. I'm trying to keep the energy alive. So we chilling, man. We got London open in 20 minutes. I'm good to see some volume potentially coming. DJ is flying. Let's take a look. Oh my God. DJ is flying. I like that. I like to see that. There you go. There comes the volume. This is what I like to see. So we have a nice breaker structure right here on GJ. Perfect. What I was looking for. Boom. So we can get some sort of pullback back down into this demand down here. I'll be more than happy. what broker y'all using since Hanko Trade isn't with MetaTrader. Honestly, I am not repping any brokers. I mean, like, I am with a broker right now, but I just rather not say. The reason why is I don't want to tell everybody go join this broker, and then they end up, you know, fucking everybody over, and then it's gonna be my responsibility because I recommended it to you guys. So just do your research, find out, like, you know, make small deposits on brokers, test them out, really. But until I can fully experience the broker, like I can test everything out, I'm not gonna post any links to that broker. But I'll tell you guys, I'll be honest with you guys, like, don't even, like, I wouldn't even trip too much about like MetaTrader, cause like MetaTrader like is not as nice as these new platforms. Like 100%, I prefer these new platforms over MetaTrader. Stretch said, wow, I had a 30-minute demand, forgot about it. Oh, did you? Stretch had a 30-minute demand marked up on GJ, and that shit just flew. It's crazy. Come on, man. Give the guy some respect. It's crazy. Stretch be calling out some crazy bangers on here. It'd be wild. Straight bangers. See what we working with right now. GJ is really the main one I'm really liking so far. But yeah, just gonna have to wait. Like anything on gold, I want to see a breaking structure below here for price to come back into this supply. Simple. But yeah, like I expect GJ to have some sort of like a retracement, like with the open at 3 o'clock. Like we gotta see some sort of either retracement. Cause yeah, like unless price just continues to miraculously just like shoot up without any red candles to return, then that's that. But I think this might be a move that'll happen today. Plus, on top of that, if we do end up getting that pullback from that 5-minute demand, we're also going to have a 15-minute zone as well right here. Mark that up. So with that, having the 15-minute confluence with the 5 is typically an like very A+ setup according to my strategy, according to my journal. I have not lost a 15-minute and 5-minute setups like since like August. So it's one of my highest like winning setup types. So I like that when I see that for sure. DJ is looking good. Wait. What's up, DJ NYC? What's good? What's good? With your trades, you use the EMA as confluence or just for direction? Yeah, I use the EMA kind of. I would say both. Both confluence and direction, because I'll use the EMA to understand where I'm at and like where price is at. So like I always go away from the 200 EMA. So meaning that if of course we're on an uptrend, we're looking for buys. I want to I want to go away from the 200 EMA. I don't want to go towards it. So meaning that if we're trading below it, I'm more bearish than bullish, of course, if that makes sense. I'm trying to patch my 5K phase 1. Coming 2 days, I'll be risking 2% for 4RR. So 2 blessed trades might do it. Let's get it, you dig? I mean, yeah, man. I would be careful. Like, risking 2% for 4RR. Like, I don't know. Like, I'd just be careful. Just because it's like I just go 1-to-1. If I'm being honest with you, like you can have runners, but when you're trading a funded account, like here's how I go about risking my funded account, right? And a lot of people like typically they want to flame me in the comments for this, but this is how I do it. I will typically risk anywhere from like 2% to like 3.5% on a position. Now, the reason why I do so is because most of the time, if I have a trade, most of my trades don't surpass 10 pips, right? So that's the first thing. So most of the trades that I take don't surpass 10 pips. So meaning that even if I am risking a fixed lot size, I'm not gonna lose X amount. I already know that. Now, second thing is with my trading plan, I know that I can get out of trades early. So meaning that if I have a trade that's 5 pip stop loss, unless I just enter a bad setup that flies towards my stop loss, but if anything else that I do within that trade, like I'll be able to get out early, basically at like 1, 2, 3 pips, which will save me that whole loss. So that's why I go in at a bigger risk. I don't really risk percentages. I risk fixed lot sizes that, of course, put me at risking anywhere from 2% to 3.5% per trade, basically putting it like that. Do I use magic keys? Of course. I got my magic keys right here. I'm an OG magic keys. I got the OG one right here. Boom. I have the on-screen version as well. But I mean, I don't use it as much anymore just because I trade fixed lot sizes. So it's kind of pointless to use it. And plus, I haven't really figured out, I don't think, well, not even that I don't think. I'm not even able to plug this into my new platform, my new broker right now. So with the platform that they're using, I'm not going to say who I'm using, but yeah, so you can't really use it right now anyways. We're waiting on that GJ to come back. We might have to do like a 200K, like maybe 450K accounts or two 100K accounts as a giveaway for the new year, probably on live. Yeah, like two 100K accounts with the Forex funder. Sound like something I'll probably do for you guys. Make person, what's good? This dude say, yo, what's good? Okay, I'm liking gold. Gold is doing exactly what I was hoping it would do. Kind of like coming towards these lows over here, giving us that breaker structure potentially to then come back up here. Why everyone's so scared of what broker they use? It makes me want to do the same. What do you mean by that? I don't think anybody's scared about the broker that they're using. It's really mainly like some brokers. I think in reference to like Henko Trade just has like they've had issues, like just server issues, like you're trying to get out of trades. You know, and it's freezing. It's not letting you. You know, you're getting like wicked out of positions when price has never been there, or even in my case, I've had a withdrawal with Henko Trade take 7 days. Like, what kind of what kind of broker takes 7 days to pay you out? And then they keep on saying every single day that I reach out to support, saying, yeah, it was something with our servers, blah blah blah. And like, all right, if you're aware that I put in a withdrawal, why don't you just process my withdrawal right there and then? Why does it have to servers and all that BS? It's, you know, all that stuff goes into it. So yeah, find a broker that will be willing to give you your money right away when you withdraw it. Simple. Not something that'll make you wait literally a whole week. Like, bro, I waited 7 days for a withdrawal. Never heard of that in my life. And I've been trading for a long time. Even Doyle left Henko Trade. Like, me personally, in my position, I just don't want to talk about any other brokers or promote any brokers right now. Just because, oh no, I'm unregulated for sure. Like, it's nothing that's regulated in the U.S. Like, you're not gonna get the best, you know, like, you're not gonna get the best results with a regulated broker. Let me see, GU. Yeah, GU doesn't know where to go. Like, GU does not. Yeah, Doyle left. Doyle and Ty left. Yeah, Ty been warned people about Henko Trades like months ago, and Henko Trade claimed that he was on some crazy shit. And bro's right, actually. Like, people gotta give this guy respect, cause they try to play him when he was telling the truth. That's crazy. Like, the sad truth is that, like, you know, there's just no, like, it's sad, like, with this whole industry, like, you just don't know, like, what you're kind of getting into. Like, you just gotta go in and test it out for yourself, basically. Sad to say, but it's true. Account giveaway will be fire. Yeah, man. I definitely think I'm probably gonna do like maybe 450K accounts. Give away 450K accounts on live for you guys. I think that would be dope. Get a couple people some funded accounts for Christmas. GJ just keeps flying. Well, I'll tell you guys that much though. I like GU. GU's there you go. GU's coming down, giving us that. Is about to break structure, also leaving a gap behind. We'd be going away from the 200 EMA, going down. So yeah, definitely look good. Also, how's South Florida? I'm thinking of moving there next year. Also, I stopped using Hanko and I'm back with my OG. Yeah, who do you use, McPherson? What's your broker? And yeah, no, South Florida, it's actually pretty dope, bro. Like, the weather is amazing. Like, you know, I could go out on my balcony right now and just chill, you know, smoke a L, just relax. Not have to worry about any cold weather. So yeah, it's pretty dope, I'd say. The only difference is that like it's a lot of like everybody down here is kind of like I would say type fake. Like a lot of people just want clout. Like it's like if you could, you know, like if you're driving a Lamborghini, for example, you're gonna have a lot of people that want to be your friends. Let's say like that. Eagle FX. Oh, I've never heard about that broker. Let's take a look. And how is that? How do you find that broker for you? Is it good? Withdrawal wise, like is it fast? Like how do you find it? I have to take a look at that broker. Never heard of it. All right, we got London Open in 30 seconds. Really, yeah, it's at 3 a.m. We just needed a break of structure. G doesn't want to give us that break of structure, clearly. May potentially get something on gold if gold can retrace, you know, back into the supply up there. That'll be pretty solid. So, oh, crazy! I moved from Jamaica to Chicago, trying to leave the cold. Also, I'm not promoting them, but I had no issue personally. Nah, no, solid. Like, I'll definitely have to take a look. I've never heard of it, but yeah, I'll definitely like, you know. I'll definitely look into it. Cause there's so many brokers out there, man. Like there's so many. I wish like there was an actual list of brokers that you could look into, or maybe there is and I don't know about it. But yeah, there's so many brokers out there. I'd definitely love to try out more brokers. let me ask you guys this question because I'm actually curious. Like, so what is an amount of money for like you guys in the chat that that you guys would feel would really basically make you go full-time trading? Like, if you had that money on your trading account and you were making X amount per month, like what would that amount be on your live account? I'm curious to know. Let's see what people say. If I could make 5 to 10K a month, I'd go full time easy. Fair enough. Like, I mean, like, most Americans aren't making, like 5 to 10K a month, believe it or not. Like, most Americans are not making that much money. So yeah, that is quite a lot. 30K, 1% a day is $300. Yeah, no, with 30K, honestly, like, bro, like, people underestimate how much $300 is. Like, bro, if you had a business, right, and your business was bringing you in like $400 a day, like, you're banking, like, you're good, like, you be making good money. I've got a 25K challenge right now. Yeah, keep working on that challenge, man. Like, just stay consistent with it. I know it can get tough, but like, just stay consistent with it. Like, prop firms to me now, like, honestly, like, beyond everything else that happens with them, like, they're a little bit like, once you get the trick of it and you realize how much like they try to push you down psychologically, and once you can get them, like, it becomes easy. So I sent you a screenshot on Discord, trying out my trades I took tonight. Let's take a look. Did you send me a DM? $50K, that's almost double my salary. Hate this factory. Like, nah, man, like, that's fair enough. Like, 50K is a good amount to, of course, make. Oh, okay, you sent that here. Okay. I just realized actually there is a chat for the Discord live. I'm sorry. Okay, nice. You're in profit. Okay. GPJPY. So, why did you take the GJ buy? Explain. Oh, my fault. I had Alicia texting on the chat, and I did not even realize there was a chat for the Discord. My fault. I'm tripping. Now it's open, so yeah, I'll see messages that come through. I took it because it retested a previous 5-minute supply that turned into a breaker block. Okay, so you trade like breaker blocks and things like that. Okay, makes sense. Like, having 50K on your live account, it really would change your whole entire trading. Real rap. But like 6 months rent and 10K to trade, then I'll be good, to be honest, because I have a CDL. So if I'm gonna run it back up driving, those sides ain't going nowhere. No, facts. I mean, like, yeah, wait, like, it's really just about your risk tolerance. Like, you can take 10K to 30K. Like, you can literally do that. You just have to be able to stick to it and not get attached to your money. Like, just understand that it's part of it. Like, if you gotta take a loss, you gotta take a loss. It is what it is. just know it's part of the system. As long as you're not breaking your rules and doing, you know, dumb things, you're fine. Like you'll be more than okay. I'm actually sending out a trade here for the community. All right, just sent out a trade here. For the community. Let's see where we end up going. Honestly, just wanting to scalp it to get my 1% on my challenge. Close right when I hit 250 profit and close. Yeah, I mean, good. Profit is profit at the end of the day. You know. But yeah, just Stretch put me onto breaker blocks. LOL. Yeah, no, Stretch is the GOAT. What's some advice on how to pass prop firms, like risk percentage or anything? Yeah, man. So to pass your prop firm challenge, you can't be risking a 1%. Like it's not sustainable in the long term. Like if you want to pass your challenge, you have to risk more than just, you know, 1% per trade. You know, like you gotta be like anywhere from 2 to 3% per trade, which is what I risk. And also, because you're gonna be managing your risk, a lot of people love to just risk like 1%, like no, or 2%. No, trade a fixed lot size. Like trade a fixed lot size and understand that your trading setups don't surpass a certain level of pips in terms of your stop loss. So yeah, that's the advice I could give to you because that's how I do it. I'm more a trend trader, so I can stay in a trade for days. And you're right, I don't care for cash. I actually like to lose to see where I go wrong. Take like 10 to 15 trades per month. Well, I wouldn't say there's like a set amount of trades that I would take per month. Like 10 to 15 trades is like, you know, I don't know. I don't even know how many trades I do take in a month, because it's all about like what the markets throw at us, right? Like I can't put a number to it. It's all right, we come today, there might be a trade, there might not be a trade, you know what I mean? So yeah, I don't really hold trade for days either. I'm more like in and out, 1-to-1. But yeah, if that works for you, keep doing it. Yeah, facts. I'm risking 2% out of the gate with the high probability setup. Yeah, Stretch. Like, you know, from the jump, bro, like I'm risking, you know, I'm risking hella. Like I'm not holding back. What lot size would you use if you were trading a 25K account with your trading style? So for example, for me, for a 100K account, I will risk 30 lots, 30 to 35 lots. So you can do the math. Basically, it'll be like a quarter of that, basically. So for a 50K account, I will do half of that. So I'll do 15 lots. So probably for a 25K account, I'll be at like 7 lots, most likely. Risking 2% makes me nervous. Well, see, like, that's the thing, right? So being nervous in trading, it's all psychological. Because once you understand that the system is just a system that you have, like, the losses are going to be a part of it. Like, you know, whether you win or lose, you can't beat yourself up about it. Like, it's part of it. Like, today, we may lose for, like, this whole time we're sitting right here, we may end up losing, for all I know, right? But it's part of the system, right? Like, we're going to have to accept it, and I can't let it hurt me. But all I have to do is trust in the fact that I'm putting my money behind a higher probability setup, and that's enough for me to be, that's enough to give me a peace of mind. Like, basically, let's put it like that. As long as I'm not breaking my rules. So that's the one thing you probably want to avoid. Maybe in your trading strategy or in your trading plan out, I want to say, more or less, you might find yourself breaking your rules at times, which cause you to lose, which is why you're more scared to take setups when they do present themselves. So you need to maybe work on like understanding your strategy a bit more, so you can know what the do's and don'ts are, basically. That's very important. It's very important. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, man. We're not getting anything just as of yet. Look at GJ. GJ's just floating all the way up there. You gotta be confident in your trade and stick to your rules. Stick to your rules and stick to your rules. Exactly. Like, super important. Like, sticking to your rules is very important. Is GU supply valid? No. Unfortunately. And the reason why is because we're trading above the EMA, right? So we're looking for sells, and we'd be going towards the 200 EMA, and most likely that might not be what's gonna happen, right? Price may just continue to push up. That's why this is where the 200 EMA becomes important. But I'm definitely liking gold though. That's for sure. If gold can push up to that supply up top. Marcus is just chilling. Going crazy. How long have you been trading for? I've been trading for like since 2018, like the end of 2018 till now. Do I trade US 30 or no? I do not trade US 30, unfortunately. But I do trade NAS100 though. It's kind of the same thing. But let's take a look at US 30 though. There's something going on with US 30. Nah. What beats is it? This is Lo-Fi on Spotify. Lo-Fi Girl, if you guys know. It's pretty popular. Yeah. I'll be vibing out to that Lo-Fi. I'm not gonna lie. It's funny because like every time I always drop videos Everybody always asks me where I get my lo-fi beats from. We've already had over 83 people tune in to the live right now. If you're not watching, man, tap in before we take a trade. We haven't taken anything yet. Slow markets, but we waiting. We waiting. Over 83 people on our first live. That's dope. That's dope, y'all. Started 2021. Yeah. You started, like, when I started, man, like, there was none of these prop firms, none of that stuff. Like, it was just, I remember, like, it was just, like, get your little $200, put it in an account, get your $1,000, put it in an account, and kind of flip that. Like, those were the days, man. Like, I don't know. It was more fun. The industry was, like, it was less scamming happening in the industry, or maybe not, probably not when I say less scamming, just people weren't aware of the scams. Let's put it like that. Yeah. But yeah. Those were good times though. I've been trading for 3 years now. That's what's up. Yeah. I've been trading for, what's that, 4 years now? Almost 4 years now. And like, it took me the last, like, basically 10 months out of the last 4 years to become profitable. Like, if I would have just done what I did the last 10 months, ever since I started trading, I would have been profitable a long time ago. GBP, JPY, yes sir. We got about an hour left of the stream. Still nothing today. Quiet day. Quiet day on the charts. Okay, I'm liking gold. Let's take a look at the 4 hour on gold. Let's take a look at a few things just to make sure that the trade that we're taking is solid. So 4 hours is okay. 1 hour time frame, definitely fine. Okay, it's perfect. 15-minute time frame, amazing. So we have a 15-minute gap sitting above here as well. And as you guys know, this is one of my best, this is one of the best setups I love to take. Like a 15-minute combined with a 5-minute. Yeah, this is a good setup that, obviously has high probability for sure. Let's see if it respects that zone. I wish I knew about Forex when I was in high school. My school gave us iPad tablets. No, like facts, yo. Like I say this all the time. Like I wish I knew about trading. Like when I was like when I was a freshman, like in college, like when I just graduated, you know, high school. I would have been so much further. Like trading, like people don't understand. Like if you want to become successful in trading, like trading has to become like a drug for you. Like it gotta become like an addiction. Like, you know what I mean? You gotta be so passionate about it where you just wanna learn every single thing about it. And no matter, like, people don't understand what having passion for something is. Like when you got passion for something, even when you lose, you go back to it. Like say, like it's like a sport, you know what I mean? Like when a player has passion for the sport that he or she plays, like even when they lose, they get that fire in them that makes them want to go back and, you know, like get more. Like I want to get back. I want to get back in. You know, I want to make it right, kind of thing. So, yeah, you want to succeed in this? That's how you do it, man. You gotta get that passion. I got so many people that like wanna trade, but then they see all the work that they have to do and then they always give up. Like literally, like about 90% of the time. This is not for everybody, you know? I respect that. Looking like gold wants to give us that move. That'll be great. I'm trying to pull a tie and tat it on my face, but you're right. I don't care how much I lose, I'm always bouncing back. Nah, 100%. I don't know about a face tat, but yeah. 100%. No, I remember like when I first started, like it used to be Ty. Like Ty used to really run shit like with his Sunday live streams. It was Swaggy C when he was coming up. You had Daniel Savage, Raul, like really, yeah. Those guys that are really running it back then. There's still a lot of them. I mean, some of them are still running it now. Of course, some people are questionable, but yeah. And what's another question for y'all? Like, how many mentors have y'all like basically been through before finally ending up here? Like, how many mentors? How many courses? Like, because I know a lot of people been saying they've been trading for a while, so I'm pretty sure you guys haven't been trading the same style for that long. So, how many mentors have you guys like gone through? Because I know some people be saying like some crazy numbers. I'd be like, yo, what? Like, it's wild. Alicia said too many. Nah, for real. Like, coming at, like, back then too, like, the one thing that I used to hate the most is, like, bro, I used to be in college, like, at the time I was like, bro, you know what I mean? And these guys would have these courses, like, you get this course this week, and then, like, in 3 weeks, there's, like, an update to the course, and you have to pay for it again, kind of thing. Like, always upselling you different versions, different levels. It was so annoying. Like, I could see why a lot of people spent years not learning shit in the markets. Because you got professional marketers as traders. Markets ain't feeling us right now. Man, shout out to y'all that have made it this far into the stream. We're about like 2 hours into the stream. Shout out to y'all. Leave a like on the video if you haven't already. Smash that like button. We're at 11 likes, man. Over 90 people I've come across. Come on, hit that like button. Shows you guys obviously are supporting. You guys are loving the content. We've been chilling here for 2 hours, chit-chatting, waiting for the markets. Hopefully we can get a solid move. But y'all gotta be like that, like McPherson in the chat. Man, they said I'm willing to get it tatted on my face. Serious. He's serious about it. If you want to be profitable in Forex, you gotta get a face tat. Like, nah, that's bullshit. You first. Nah, yeah, trust me. Nah, like. Me first. I'm dead. That's funny. Nah, like, I get a face that saying Forex. That's like, honestly, like anything. I mean, like, no judgment, but you know what I mean. Like, you do what you want. Let me just say it like that. Honestly, just one. Been trading the same style since Florida. I won't be working anymore. Just looking for a decent apartment. Go from there. Hey, thanks, bro. Yeah, man. That's good though. Just one mentor. Yeah, you're a lucky guy. Lucky guy. Like, you got these like these fools that like they got these wait lists and they only got 10 seats left every 2 weeks. I never get it. I've honestly had 4 mentors. See, like, that's where it can get like fucked up. Like, it can really fuck you up. Having 4 different mentors, like everybody trades a different way. You know what I mean? Like, you end up knowing how to trade like in a lot of different styles and really never have something consistent. Some traders, I just don't even understand how they're even profitable. or they just claim to be profitable. I know, like, this is a pretty like touchy subject. Like talking about like Q Banks and all these other guys. Like, I'm not here to cause up drama, but like, you know, a lot of people, like, when I'm just like, you know, basically watching everything unfold, and some people do have a point, man. Like, some of these traders that have these crazy ass Lamborghinis and X, Y, and Z, people look up to them and give them this like GOAT status, when in fact, like, these people, like, they can't ask them to go live like we're doing right now, waiting for these moves to unfold in the markets, and they can't do it, or they won't do it. They claim that, oh, like, are you paying me to do it, X, Y, and Z? So charge for it and see if people will actually pay. And if people pay, like, show yourself trading live. It's as simple as that, man. Like, supply and demand is the best by far. I've thrown out all the other shit and focused on the strategy for a year now, well, almost 10 months. Yeah, like, honestly, like, supply and demand is the shit. Like, I don't care what anybody says. Like, fuck all the Fibonacci, all that stuff. Like, supply and demand is the shit. Like, with Fibonacci and a lot of these other strategies, like, there's too many missing points that no one, like, ever talks about. You know what I mean? Like, it's just some of them are just not sustainable in the long term, and I don't like that. Come on, gold. We might get that gold before the session's over today.
I didn't see anything.
Stop using Fib 3 months before Doe said he stopped. Yeah, man, like, Fib is just, like, it's just too many, like, empty points that, you know what I mean? Like, there's so many unanswered things.
I said sorry in advance, little mama, I've been working. Sorry in advance, but I promise I ain't working. You been working tables just to call me on your third. Body of an angel, swear to God, girl, you perfect. Sorry in advance, girl, I'm sorry in advance, but I can't be your man. Girl, I'm sorry in advance, little mama, I ain't perfect. Working 20 hours, I forgot about your birthday. Blame down all the hours, I stay up and I've been hurting. Best friend yelling at me cause I miss your birthday. Sorry in advance, sorry in advance, but I can't be your man. Yeah. Look, cause I'm sorry in advance, but I was tryna get my bands up. I know that you hate me, probably told your friends I'm cancer. Called you last week, you said you working as a dancer. Girl, you do this out of spite, yeah.
gold is really playing us. Like, just tap it already. But the markets have really just been slow, like, towards this end of the year. If you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell. Be notified, obviously, when I go live. And the next time we post, we do have a vlog coming out today at 12 p.m. EST, New York vlog. So hope you guys do enjoy that. Hey, man, see you on the next one, McPherson. Thank you for the follow on the gram. Appreciate you. Catch you on the next one, man. Catch you on the next one. I'll be going live every day in the Discord, of course, because that's, that's how we rock. But for YouTube, probably next time I'll be live will be Thursday, maybe. If not tomorrow, Thursday. Y'all think gold gonna tap before the stream's over? I don't think. I feel like it's taking its time. I've been thinking of trading regulated 2024. Nobody is really doing it, and I get it because of the lack of instruments. But y'all can't lie, it's been a lot of uncertainty this year. No, I mean, like, I definitely agree with that, brother. Like, it's definitely been a lot of uncertainty. Like, a lot of, unexpected things. But if I'm being honest with you, if you're a scalper and you go try to trade regulated, like Awanda, FXCM, like, for one, the leverage sucks. It's a 1 to 50 leverage. Like, if you don't have like a big account size, you're not gonna make that much money. Second, commissions and spreads are just beyond me. Like, the spreads suck. Like, the spreads are terrible. Like, let's put it like that. Spreads are terrible. So as a scalper on the 5 minute, it's not gonna suit you any well at all. And of course the commission is very high. So just having a regulated broker sometimes really just, it's not the best way to go. Like, if I'm being honest with you, like, it's just actually finding a broker that will not run off with the funds. Now, have we seen any broker that's actually like ran off with people's funds? I haven't in my 4 years of trading. So that's not really something I'd be too worried about, because at the end of the day, like, a broker can't just pick up and, run off with your funds and with your account, like, without, facing some kind of consequence. Or else everybody would just create a broker and take everybody's money and just run off with it. Of course, there's going to be some kind of consequence. So, like, you got to think about it in both perspectives, you know what I mean? So that's why, like, I don't really trip too much, like, but of course do your research and go with the right brokers, of course. Markets are taking forever. I'll be right back. I'm just about to step away, grab a bottle of water right quick. But I'll be right back. The market's just slow. I need to hydrate. I've been talking. I need to hydrate for real. I'll be right back, y'all. What's good, y'all? I'm back. So, markets aren't giving much. Y'all should look into Sway Markets. They just created their own trading platform called Sway Charts. No, yeah, like honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Like Sway Charts actually looks pretty dope. Like, but I'm not here to promote anybody. But yeah, Sway Charts actually looks pretty dope. You know, one of the dopest things about like just this whole trading thing in general that I do on YouTube is the fact that you guys will be able to have all this content to watch back, and even myself, like, you know, going back like 5 years from now, being able to sit back and, you know, see everything that I did to, you know, be where I'm gonna be. It's amazing, and you guys are able to use that. Like, my YouTube is literally a like book of videos just compiled together that show you exactly how to become profitable. Sway is awesome, but trading on the phone is horrible. Editing a new YouTube about them and my honest review dropping tomorrow. Yeah, make sure to check out Stretch's video about Sway Markets. So he's dropping that video tomorrow. His honest review on it. I think he has some pretty good points. You guys should definitely check it out and, you know, give it a watch for sure. Now, I'm looking at this move here on gold. I wish there was some sort of like a, you know, we actually had a break of structure here for us to take this counter trend buy to this supply. But yeah, I'm not gonna be taking this though, but that does look, you know, that would have looked clean if it did have some sort of break of structure for a counter trend buy, basically. They're supposed to drop the trading app in the app store real soon. That would be amazing if they do drop the app in the app store. That'll be amazing. Man, if y'all want me to review Sway, like, tell Sway to send me that contract. Tell Sway to send me that contract, if you know what I mean. We'll talk about Sway all day. Right, Stretch. We need that ASAP. I need my money by tomorrow. Yes, sir. Because I'll definitely be looking for a broker to obviously recommend to you guys, where we'll have him as our official broker on a live stream, you know, that I of course recommend to you guys directly, because I am going to be doing a pretty fat deposit pretty soon. So, and I want it to be on a, you know, like fairly good broker for the new year. So I don't want to, like, I pulled out money. I don't want to be on no, you know, like shaky stuff, basically. Let's put it at that. This counter trend move here on gold, I tell you, it's looking very, very clean. It's not my setup here, man. It's not my setup. Like, it had to have some type of breaking structure, but there's none. Somebody tell Hank will trade to send over a contract, and we'll review their platform for sure and clear the air. We just gotta see that contract though. NAS100 would have been clean. NAS100 just, like, we just can't get we can't seem to get any breaker structures right now with our moves, and I'm not taking anything that, of course, is against my rules. But I just called this out for you guys though. Literally just called out this buy here on gold, but I didn't take this myself. Told y'all counter trend buys. We're already up 1-to-1. Super clean. Already like 11 pips in profit. Super clean. Just no breaker structure, so I'm not taking it, of course. got roughly about 36 more minutes on the charts before we call it a session. We'll see what the market's gonna throw at us. But this is the time of the night where everybody start getting sleepy. We've been watching paint dry for like 2 hours. So I'm out, fam. I'll be back tomorrow for London session. I got my 1% for the day, so I'm going to bed. Have a good night. Yeah. Yep. Nah, I get you. Take care. Have a good one. Yeah, you did your thing, man. 1%. Good job. You got your dub, so respect on that. I've been really sitting back a lot, man, during like the past couple of weeks. You know, it's just been very slow in the markets. Like last week, I literally took one trade last week. That's it, the whole week. I was really expecting for some more setups, but nah, there just wasn't. Or there was actually a setup on Friday, but Thursday. But the markets were so dead that I just didn't even care to trade on Thursday anymore. Like I just stopped looking at the charts. I was like, yeah, I'm good. I'm just waiting until really 4:30 potentially, because we may get that tap on gold and we may get that dub, but that's about it, really. Over 109 viewers on our first live. Thank you guys so much for showing up, man. If you haven't already, please smash that like button. Means a lot. Shows the algorithm that you guys are fucking with the videos. You guys are liking the live. So make sure to do that. Subscribe if you haven't already as well. We're well over 2,000 subscribers on our journey to 3,000. So thank you guys so much if you haven't supporting. You know, turn on that post notification bell. You'll be notified next time that we do post, which is going to be actually today, 12 p.m. EST for the NYC vlog. And also, if you want to get funded, as you guys see on the screen there, the Forex Funder, tap in with them. Link is in the bio of my Instagram. It should also be in the description. If it's not, check out my Instagram. It's going to be there. Click on that. Get yourself an account. Get funded. Use the code TRADEWITHANTONIO and TFF50. That'll get you 50% off your next funding challenge. Just a little treat from me to y'all, man. So yeah. And of course, if you guys want to get plugged in with me, the Discord is also available for you guys. The link is in the description below. You can click on that, get tapped in with the Discord. You know, of course, we, you know, call out moves every single day. Not just, you know, when we're live streaming, but literally every single day. So make sure to tune into that. That's where you guys are gonna find me. If you guys want to, you know, tap in with me and catch up with me every single day, that's where to find me in the Discord. That's where I'm always active. So make sure to, you know, obviously tap into that for sure. But by the looks of it, man, like, it's really not looking that amazing right now. I think I may call it a session, if I'm being honest with you guys. I may just come back for the NY session, and I'm not gonna be live streaming, but I will be in the Discord with the members. I may end up going live, so in the Discord. So if not, I'll still be just calling out the setups as I always do. But yeah, I'm just waiting to see how this candle is gonna be. Next candle is gonna react. If we don't get some kind of momentum, I'm just gonna call it a day, honestly. But typical London session though for the fourth quarter. So if we start to get that push, I may end up sticking around. Of course. Shout out to everybody that's joining on. If you're just joining on, smash that like button. We're about to potentially catch a gold move here. Maybe. If gold decides to finally tap the zone. But yeah. I need some volume, man. I see a couple people tuning in. Where's everybody from? The new people tuning in. I know I asked that earlier, but the new people tuning in, where are you guys from? If you guys aren't sleepy, because I know this got me feeling a little tired. Not gonna lie. Texas, from DC, out in Vegas. Oh, that's what's up. Y'all tuning in from all over. That's lit. Yeah, man, like Texas. I definitely want to visit Texas though. I've not been to Vegas either. Definitely like to go, but like I'm more like a very chill, like, you know, I don't know if Vegas is my vibe though. Like, I don't know, maybe there's other things to do in Vegas that I don't know about. But Tennessee, oh, I got one of my boys in Tennessee. Actually, one of the Discord members, he's from Tennessee. He's actually on the Discord live right now. Or he lives in Tennessee. He's not from Tennessee. What's the code for the discount? It's trade with Antonio. Just put trade with Antonio, and the code TFF50 for 50% off. I'll type it in the chat for you guys. outside of the strip, Vegas is low-key chill. Yeah, I'd have to check it out. I definitely have to check it out for sure. Definitely have to check it out. All right, gold is definitely giving me them vibes right now. It's giving the no volume vibes. NAS100 just been like a barcode the whole entire session. So we good on that. So yeah, no trades taken, man, today. No trades taken. I think I am gonna go ahead and actually call it a session, guys. I just don't think it's even worth trying to wait for gold to come back up into the zone up here when clearly that's not gonna happen anytime soon. But yeah, man, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for hopping on. You know, if you haven't already, please smash that like button. It really means a lot, of course. Shows me that you guys are supporting, and you know, motivates me to, of course, keep on making these for you guys and keep on doing the lives, of course. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, probably either tomorrow or Thursday, potentially. So yeah. But if you want to get plugged in with me every single day, tap into the Discord. Link is in the description below. So click on that, join the Discord, tap in with me on Instagram. You guys know that I'm always dropping content for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, man, that's that. So I'll catch you guys here. Well, not tomorrow, but my next video is dropping today. So peace. I'm tired, so take care. Peace out, everybody.
Times I was down every day. Got me like, damn, don't keep me away. Don't keep me away. I was just in my head. Now I'm feeling away. Now I'm feeling away. Like, how could you go back to your old dude? I've been trying to keep my cool. Late night thoughts when I'm in my room. I've been trying to pay my due. I'm trying to get a green and cheat to pay. Yo, bitch, ride like a snake. I've been up for 3 all night. I've been grinding every day. Yeah. Back in the class, I was smelling like Paris. Tell they was talking about me. Yeah, they thought I was whack, they would never call back. Now they all wanna care about me. Now they wanna be like me. Now they wanna call me back. Remember you was stand my back. Back then you ain't had my back. And I can't let bitch niggas get in my way. I've been trying to find my way. Now I ain't come this far, it's just play. I've been trying to get my cash. Got me like, damn, don't keep me away. Don't keep me away. I was just in my head. Now I'm feeling away.
Peace out, everybody. Good night.